Okay, there's CPI, so I'll be backtesting a random week. Let's see what we get. (2021) June week 1. June. Okay. This is okay, good. It's a bank holiday. So next day there was PMI at 10. There's PMI. And there's market open. Looking, so for the bias, you can see that price, put it on 1 hour. Price is in SMT. Price might create an SMT here. So we could say this is bearish because London also swept out all of these. And what else is there? I mean, I would say bearish right now, to be honest. I don't think it's gonna go all the way up here. But it could probably open up on NQ, sweep out these, can be consolidating a bit on ES, and then go down, go lower. Let's go in the 5-minute. So bias is bearish. Let's mark out before that. Let's mark out first of all the session highs and lows. And then hourly highs and lows. Nothing here. It could also just like trade into this gap and then go further. So this gap could also be a good target. Then here, I guess over here, but there's already that. It could open, sweep out here and go higher. You know, structure is hourly structure is bullish. Same on the 4-hour. So could just continue higher. I mean, but I'd rather it be bearish. Okay. Opens up, sweeps London. Waiting for confirmation. got break of structure to the downside. We already got it on the okay, so definitely entering off of ES. Waiting for retrace. Keep in mind that there's PMI at 10. What is this low? Okay, it's hourly. Price book structure to the upside on ES. Nothing on Nasdaq, not even a gap getting inversed. Let's check the 5-minute. Okay, it's going into this fair value gap. There's a 1-minute break of structure to the downside out of this gap on both pairs. Then I'll short ES to this low and then maybe this low. There's a 1-minute break structure. Okay, we got bullish area gap because validated. Sometimes I just use that information, both of it. So I'm probably enter right now. See which pair is better. Honestly, Nasdaq because it's close to this London low. Yeah. At first I thought yes, but looking at it on the hourly, probably Nasdaq. Where's London low? This one. Damn, that's a huge ass stop though. That's nothing. Maybe ES and then when Nasdaq sweeps a slow break even. Yeah, that sounds good actually. So short ES. When Nasdaq sleeps London low, I go for break even. Why is it not? Okay, guess I have to do it manually. Try again. Okay, fuck you then. Oh. TP is it yes, right? What does it say? I don't know. TP 28 18. Okay, yeah, good. That's just what is that? It was a long. Oh, what the fuck? Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay, it's swept already, and I'm already. Okay, I'll just keep it then. Okay. Just run that shit. Boom. Nice. Could have actually gone for a TP2 probably, right? No? Yeah, could have gone for a TP2. That would have been better, but whatever. Okay. The second. Nothing. Good. Let's clear these charts. Let's check the sessions. Okay, so London just swept out this Asia highs, also like low resistance liquidity here. So another bearish, I guess. Seems like another bearish. Let's check if it's in line with the hourly trend. If it is, then probably no doubt bearish, I guess. Those are session highs and lows. Hourly, when does this close? So this isn't closed yet. So hourly, still bearish. Okay. And then that's bearish as well, I guess. Pretty sure it's bearish. Yeah. Yeah, bearish. Depends how this closes, but I would say bias is bearish still. Mark out hourly draws. These actually look pretty nice. So maybe market opens, hits these, and then goes down to these lows, which are also, they're not relative equal, but like they're close together. So I mean, I guess they're relative equal. Then what else? There's an SMT here. Is there? Yeah, there is. There's SMT here, another SMT here. But I mean, that's like hold, I guess, because price raise swept these. This looks pretty nicely, yes, to take out these. Yeah, bearish, bearish again. No news day. Market open. I want to see that hourly candle. I'll close it actually. Okay, it's closed. Okay, so closed bullish. So structure's bullish, but I mean, I don't think it changes my bias. So pre-market sweeps out London highs, and these ones which I wanted to get hit on open. So sounds good. Okay, pairs are doing the opposite thing, but you don't want to see that usually. Maybe NQ sweeps out these, and I don't know, consolidation. Something. Okay, it's going in this gap. Yeah, we got the sweep. Now confirmation to the downside. Literally called it on the candle. Here I still need confirmation. This gap is enough for confirmation for me. On NQ, just waiting for the same thing to happen on ES. Or a break shot to the downside would be good. Damn, this is not looking good. Price actions. Looking like a no trade day. Yeah, it's 11.5, no trade day. Next, we've got Thursday. We've got PMI at 10 again. This is, yeah, it's Wednesday. Thursday. That's a pretty big sell off. Got sleeped out all of these. So yeah, probably bullish bias. It just opened it and sleeped out like all that. So I'm bullish for the bias. Mark out the session highs and lows again. Would be nice if price could go all the way up here, because these highs look pretty nice. But I mean, enough like up here, because usually if price moves swiftly down, it moves swiftly up level. Then we got the hourly highs and lows. I really like how this is like there's a bigger gap here, so maybe these could also be draws. But I don't know. It's too close. It's getting hit instantly. Then what else we got? The downside we got these. We got okay, now it's 5 minute. Market open here. PMI. PMI here. It opens it, just doesn't do much. Pre-market, nothing happens. Opens. Yeah, that's what one seeks. My bias is bullish, so a low getting swept is good. Early on, I'm looking for confirmation. Maybe this gap gets inversed. it gets inversed on both pairs. Now, just round PMI though. So, I mean, I don't know if that's good or bad, but now we're in for a 1 minute break shot to the downside, then 1 minute break shot to the upside, or uh, a gap because there's no gaps. Yeah, so it doesn't matter. So just a 1 minute break shot to the upside, 1 minute break shot to the downside, then one to the upside. Okay, it's pumping like crazy. Okay, we got a gap getting tapped into on both pairs. That's good. So now I want a 1 minute break shot to the upside out of it, or a bearish gap getting inversed. I mean, you could say it got inversed here, but there we go, big structure. I'll probably enter because this got inversed technically. So that's also a confirmation, even though this is like right on the dot. It's slightly risky, but I'm gonna take up to here maybe. What does that look like? Stops. How about this? It's 1-to-1. TP1, TP2 sort of thing. $71. There you go. And then when TP1 gets hit, then break even. Yes, actually, it's very close to it. Damn, that's lucky. Let's do it anyway, because W loss. It just dumps, nice. No, you love to see it. You love to see it. Okay, well. Entry was too early. What time was it? 10:21. Second entry would have been like, what happened here? Yeah, I probably wouldn't have entered at all. If I would be to revenge trade, I wouldn't have entered. Or it would have been like on this candle close, like that, and then probably to this. Would have been something like that if I did, but I'm not going to. Well, I can't because yeah, whatever. Friday, we've got power speaking, so that's it. That's it. Is that a 50% win rate? 2 trades. Okay. Let's check the this ain't it. We got, where's the P&L? P&L. A win and a loss is it's alright. That's it. So if you watch this far, then you're a G.